Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Come in, Baba, pretty. Ba, yeah, kuda. Yeah, dang. What call them blood clot? Them come to Jamaica from work with political and not. When they are China, you have to work them. Don't remember that? Definitely. Yeah. Baba Guda. See you, Baba pretty. Blow up your hand, Papa.
Mama, you take it,
Yeah, Baba Guda.
Mama.
No, Baba
you take it.
No, Baba Guda. What thing you don't understand a fuck. I'm from a carry the right place. How in front so fast? Yeah, Baba blue one. Beep. What's up, Baba Ram? It's the year, none of bad. Nobody got none of bad about China. I'm this, you know. Last time I on a ticket for the year and I'm spending money. Don't know that. We broke vibes ago. No class, no bad. Hey!
Why that call is revenge? It's not easy. Talk about chatting behind your back. What happened if the man could understand what you say a while ago? Like for real. Suppose a man could understand what you say. Eh? Yo, I tell you, talk about chatting behind your back, yo. No, so. You see me? Well, it's good to be bilingual, is it? So basically what she say is, because her, you know, because when them come to Jamaica, them hire them and work them for little to nothing. So basically she said that when she's in their country, she's going to do the same. You see me? People, me I tell you no, revenge, I no good sitting, no bother with it. Don't follow, yeah? Be a good person. You see me? Don't follow at all. You be the good person, alright? Alright, now watch nothing still. Big up to that lady there, big up to the man who I drive, and big up everyone. You see me I say, you don't know, so I'm keeping up to date to do what I go on social media as always. You see me I say, you need to know more and want to stay up to date, you just click the subscribe button with Dancehall Skilla. Alright? Big up on yourself.